the main cook in the family, and we're adults, okay? We can speak on a level of throwing away the pots and pans that no longer do us justice. They're scratched, you're eating the Teflons, the handles are melted, maybe you threw it in the oven and it kind of schmelted away. Well, I was there, trust me. I had pans that who knows where they came from. They just ended up in my cupboard. They're all warped. It's time to level up. As an adult, we can have pans that come all together, baking, frying, steaming. There's another tiny little egg. I mean, this is so stinking cute. I don't have to wash a huge pan. This right here, super great quality. This is the Granitestone. This is the Ceraluxe edition, 20 pieces. 20 pieces. I am blown away with the quality, the craftsmanship. It's a 10-year warranty on them. They have like, that is thick. That's going to last a long time. It doesn't feel like it's going to get scratched super easy. It has everything you were going to need for a new apartment. Maybe you are needing new pots and pans for when you're moving away and you're just going to throw your old ones out. It's time to throw away the ones that don't do justice for us anymore. Well, I'm going to get up and close and personal because I want you to know how good quality, not just how all of these come together. No, I want you to see up close and personal what they are all alike. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them, all right? Okay, 1 second. You can see what it comes with online. I'm not too focused on what it comes with. I want you to hear the quality. Like, that is some thick metal. You can't see the quality online, and I want to show you everything you need to know about it because this is such great craftsmanship on pots and pans. Has a backed 10-year warranty of them. Steamer basket. Every pan has a lid that fits. Imagine that. I have pans that don't have lids anymore. This is a beautiful craftsmanship. You can gift this for a housewarming gift. You can gift it to someone that's just moving in and want a complete set because it comes with everything. You don't need anything else. The baking, super impressed. I am a newly beginning baker and I don't feel like I need anything else. Like the cookie sheet, I mean, this for loaf pans, pie pan, muffin. I highly recommend this company. It's a small family business. It's been since in the 1940s or 50s. I can't even imagine them doing it so long and not knowing what they're doing. Highly recommend this pots and pans set, 10 out of 10.